Alrighty here. This is from Eggman. We'll just go with Eggman. Oh, I'm Eggman. Got it. Jim Carrey writes, Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 help. So basically I got a Lenovo laptop a month ago and it was working fine until last night when I was playing Overwatch, and it crashed after I tabbed out and turned off NVIDIA settings and Valorant Vanguard. The weird thing is that the power light is on and the backlight is still working, but I can't turn on caps locks. I drained it and moved the RAM. Edit, I had an NVIDIA drive update pending. So basically I got a Lenovo laptop a month ago and it was working fine until last night when I was playing Overwatch, and it crashed after I tapped out and turned off NVIDIA settings and Valorant Vanguard. Valorant Vanguard is, now that I know what it is, it's the security software for Valorant. The weird thing is the power light is on and the backlight is still working, but I can't turn on caps lock. The power light is on and the backlight, okay, I had a drive update pending. Okay, sounds like the GPU was installing the driver, thus freezing your system. Did the GPU install the driver? Yeah, I want to get some more clarity on that, because it sounds like what he's trying to say is that the GPU actually was installing the driver while he was playing Overwatch, which crashed him. And then on top of that, you know, when he tried to turn off the Valorant and all that kind of stuff, I think that may have triggered it. It may have caused an issue whenever it was trying to do an update of the graphics, is what it sounds like. But I just need some more clarity on what was going on here. And is the issue resolved currently? Is the issue resolved currently? You can also go to, actually, you know what? Let me show everybody this while now that we have all our fancy equipment and stuff going. Let me go Windows 11 and let's actually show people. So this is going to be system. I'm sorry, not from here. We can just go Event Viewer. And then from Event Viewer, you click on Windows Logs and then you go to System. This is where I'll be telling everybody to go. If I can make it bigger, that would be great. There we go. So this is where I'll be telling everybody to go. So if you make this bigger, it will let you know if you have critical errors. It'll actually show it here. So instead of it being informational, it would be critical whenever there's an issue that occurred. So this is where I'll be telling everybody to go. So Event Viewer, System, and then go for the timestamp and then look for a critical error. So basically the critical error will be in red. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and go back here. So you can also go to Event Viewer from Start and click on System. On Event Logs, then System, and go to where the issue occurred to see if there was a critical error that has the letters NV in it. Okay, so usually if it's a critical error and it has to do with NVIDIA, it will have an NV in the actual error code. So that lets you know that you usually have some type of a GPU issue, but it sounds like the GPU was trying to update while you were playing the game. Alrighty, Meg man, I hope that helps. Keep us posted, bro.